Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to online Quran lesson. Dear student, in the 15th lesson, we will learn the tashdid ma tashdid. Tashdid ma tashdid. Tashdid ma tashdid means the tashdid, the first one letter tashdid are present and also the second one tashdid are also present. Let's start. Repeat after me. Yazakka, yazakka, yazakkaru, yazakkaru. Al-mudassiru, al-mudassiru. Al-muzammilu, al-muzammilu. Illijin, illijin. This is the stop, and here we do not read the fatha, we read only illijin, illijin, illijun, illijun. Innallazina, innallazina, illallazina, illallazina. Min sharrin, min sharrin. Naffasati, naffasati. Fa'alulli, fa'alulli. Ma yurid, ma yurid. Min sharrin naffasati. Fa'alulli ma yurid. Thanks a lot. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Goodbye.